How to use the NGPod app. After downloading the NGPod app, you will have an icon on your mobile device that looks as shown in the picture. When you press the icon, the app will open and you will see the training screen, which contains a number of resources. Simply press each resource to access it. Resources will be amended from time to time and new ones added. Accessing information about NGPod on the NGPod app is the best way to ensure that you are always using the most up-to-date information. The NGPod app also contains a certification test on the use of NGPod. This is accessed by pressing the rosette icon at the bottom of the screen. We will take a look at the certification process shortly. Some of the training resources are designated as mandatory, to read or watch before you can take the certification test. When you have reviewed the mandatory material, a green circle with an eye will be displayed next to the mandatory designation to show that you have reviewed it. When you are ready to take the NGPod certification test, select the rosette icon at the bottom of the page. This will open the certification test. At the time of making this video, there are 27 multiple-choice questions in the test. Please make sure you read the questions and all the answers before selecting your responses. When you are ready, select Begin Certification. You will see that all the questions are multiple choice. Some require more than one answer. When you have selected your answer, press Submit. If you select the correct answer or answers, this will be shown by a green tick on your answer and a red on the incorrect ones. Now select Next Question. If you select an incorrect answer, the page will display the correct answer and some information to clarify what the correct response should be. When you have answered all of the questions, you will reach the certification page. If you have passed, the page will display the message shown and give you the option to access the certificate. To access the certificate, select Access Certificate, which will take you to this screen. From here, if you select the square with the upward arrow in the bottom left-hand side of the screen, you will be able to save or print the certificate. Alternatively, you can access this again at any point in the future. If you did not pass the certification test, the following screen will be displayed. From here, you can either select Review Training Material or retake the test. You can retake the test as many times as you wish in order to pass. We hope that you find using the NGPod app useful.